In travel news for May 8th, 2023, we talk about Royal Caribbean making some changes to its 2023 Alaskan cruises. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that makes travel so easy, even a blind person can do it. And now, today in travel. Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines has recently announced changes to some of its 2023 Alaskan itineraries due to challenges in docking at one of their favorite ports, Skagway, Alaska. Guests aboard the Quantum of the Seas will find themselves exploring a new destination, Icy Strait Point, as the ship is too large to dock in Skagway because of ongoing repairs to the pier following multiple rock slides. Skagway, a historic mining town, has long been a popular stop for cruise passengers. Unfortunately, the landslides have caused significant damage to the port, making it impossible for the Quantum of the Seas to dock. Royal Caribbean has made it clear that the necessary repairs are being carried out, but they won't be completed in time for the 2023 Alaska season. This means that cruise passengers can expect the Skagway stop to be replaced by Icy Strait Point for the remainder of the season. Royal Caribbean has reassured its guests that this change should provide them with a memorable travel experience nonetheless. Icy Strait Point offers an array of attractions for travelers, including scenic wildlife tours, cultural experiences, and outdoor adventures. In addition to the new port of call, Royal Caribbean will also extend their stay in the charming town of Sitka, Alaska, allowing guests more time to explore the area. Passengers who had pre-booked excursions in Skagway through the cruise line will receive full refunds. The affected itineraries include sailings on May 15th and 22nd, June 12th, 19th, and July 10th, 17th, and 24th, and September 11th, 2023. Travelers should be aware that additional changes to the itineraries may be announced in the future. Despite the inconvenience of this change, Royal Caribbean remains excited to provide their guests with unforgettable Alaskan adventures. So whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-time visitor to Alaska, the 2023 season promises to deliver unique and exciting experiences as you explore Icy Strait Point and other captivating destinations along the way. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.